TRT, no doubt, has saved my life. It improved my drive, my mood, my body, and most of all, my sanity. It works. But there is massive misunderstanding circulating in men's health space right now. The idea that medication can outwork shit lifestyle. If you are over 40 and looking for chemical solution to discipline problem, you are about to waste a lots of time and be very disappointed. Let's be totally clear and honest. Testosterone matters. It matters a lot. When my levels were down, it wasn't just a number on a test. It fundamentally altered who I was. My energy was flat, my mood was grey. The natural drive and resilience was totally non-existent. I didn't feel like myself. And no amount of grinding through fixed the underlying depletion. I am not here to tell you TRT is bad. For many men with genuinely low levels, under the right medical care, it's absolutely transformational. It helped rebuild my foundation and my life. It is legitimate, powerful medical tool. But it's exactly that, a tool, not a magic trick. TRT is medical treatment, your doctor matters. Because TRT is most likely lifelong commitment. Finding competent physician who actually listens to your symptoms is well worth the effort. You need a true professional in your corner. But having a doctor does not outsource your responsibility. Think about it this way. You wouldn't walk into car dealership, find a salesman, blindly hand over your cash and buy whatever vehicle he points at, without doing a single second of research. It's your money and your asset. Yet, when it comes to hormones that dictate your energy, focus and longevity, too many men follow blindly. They take a prescription and know absolutely nothing what goes into their body. It is your duty to educate yourself on basics of the treatment and side effects. Interview your potential doctor. They are effectively applying for the job of managing your health. You don't need a medical degree, but you do need to understand low T symptoms, how to read your blood work, your total T, free T, your estradiol, your SHBG. A good doctor is a partner, not a babysitter. If you want to take control of how you age, you need to master the basic mechanics of your own health. Now, for the part most men don't want to hear, the uncomfortable truth. Poor sleep, too much alcohol, chronic stress and mountain of excuses. A terrible lifestyle creates exactly same symptoms men blame on low testosterone. If you are sleeping 5 or 6 hours a night, drinking heavily on the weekend, carrying extra 30 pounds, sitting at desk all day, you are going to feel like absolute garbage. TRT is effective. It will significantly improve your baseline, but TRT only raises your capacity. Your daily habits determine what you actually do with it. Think about it. You can own a Lamborghini, but if you fill the tank with cheap, dirty fuel, you are not going anywhere. TRT gives you the energy to rebuild your life, but it won't do the rebuilding for you. The magic men are looking for is often in the work they're trying to avoid. To be the man you want to be, you still have to do the heavy lifting. You still have to clean up your diet. You still have to protect your sleep. No medication is coming to save you. TRT gives you the leverage, but it's up to you to save yourself. Optimizing your hormones is step 1. Optimizing your mind, your habits, and your discipline is the rest of the game. If you are over 40, on TRT or not, and you are ready to stop guessing and start building a lifestyle that matches your true potential, I want to help you do it. Right now, I'm looking for 4 men to join my highly discounted case study sessions. We will map your baseline, look at your habits, and build custom execution plan to reclaim your edge over a series of 5 sessions. If you are tired of avoiding the work and are ready to take ownership, click the first link in the description below to apply. Let's see if you are a good fit. Don't just raise your baseline, raise your standards. I will see you in the next video.